Everyone, I am going to explain you about the designing of constant K high pass filter. Coming to a definition of high pass filter. High pass filter which passes only high frequencies and attenuates the low frequencies. Coming to the circuit configuration of T section and pi section. As we know that for T section the series arm impedance is Z1 by 2, Z1 by 2 and shunt arm impedance is Z2. For pi section it is series arm impedance is Z1 only. For shunt arm impedance will be 2Z2. So here for series arm impedance we are taking the capacitance value. So its value is nothing but 2C. Upon taking the series combination of these two capacitors we will get the capacitor value C. Shunt is L value. Coming to the series arm, here C it is C and shunt value is nothing but 2L. Now here we are going to design that constant K high pass filter. For designing that constant K high pass filter, here I am taking the characteristic impedance value R0 is equal to under root of L by C value and FC is 1 by 4 pi root LC. So this R0 is a constant term. So by substituting the Z1 is equal to 1 by j omega C, Z2 is equal to j omega L, we are getting a term L by C which is a independent of frequencies. Therefore we are equating this term to one constant term. That's why these filters are called as constant K high pass filter. I'm equating the term to R0 square. Therefore R0 is equal to under root of L by C value. Okay, so to find out that capacitor and inductor values, okay, here I am multiplying these two terms as well as dividing terms. Okay, so here to find out the capacitor value, simply I'm multiplying the R0 value with the FC value. So therefore R0 is nothing but root L by C, FC is 1 by 4 pi root LC. Okay, so here I'm writing this term as a numerator as root L, denominator as root C with into 1 by 4 pi. So this is a root L into root C. So by cancel out these terms we are getting 1 by 4 pi root C into root C which is equal to 1 by 4 pi C which is equal to R0 into FC. Therefore the capacitor value. So here we have to find out the only capacitance value. Na? So C is equal to, move this term to this side. Okay, so C is equal to 1 by 4 pi FC into R0. So similarly to find out that inductor value, divide the R0 with the FC value. Okay, R0 is, we know it is under root L by root C. Okay, into substitute FC is 1 by 4 pi root LC value. So take this term. So we are getting root L by root C which is equal to, this is 1 by 4 pi root LC. This will goes to the numerator. So it will become 4 pi into root L into root C. By cancelling these terms we are getting this value as 4 into pi into root L is nothing but 4 pi L which is equal to R0 by FC. Here I want the find out the L value. So therefore L is equal to R0 by 4 pi FC value. Okay. Thank you.